Hi, I'm Katie Stilp. I'm the local history librarian at Appleton Public Library, and today I'm going to show you a quick overview of the University of Wisconsin Digital Collections. UW Digital Collections is one of the many genealogy and local history databases that we have available through the Appleton Public Library. It's completely free and open to the public, so you actually don't even need a library card in order to access this. I'll show you exactly what it is and how to use it today. So there are lots of statewide resources available through the UW Digital Collections website. That includes resources from all around the state, including things like photos, maps, books, audio, video, and much more. The link that's available through the Appleton Public Library website is going to lead you directly to the Appleton Public Library Local History Collection, which is a page within UW Digital Collections. This local history collection was a collaborative project completed by the University of Wisconsin Digital Collections Center and Appleton Public Library several years ago. It was funded in part thanks to a Library Services and Technology Act grant. To access all of the UW Digital Collections from all around the state, you want to look for the UWDC acronym in the top right corner, or head directly to the website indicated on your screen. Again, no library card is needed in order to access this database. It is completely free and open to the public. The rest of our talk is going to focus completely on the Appleton Public Library Local History Collection. This collection contains some digitized content for local history and genealogy use that includes information of folks from Appleton and Outagamie County, Wisconsin. You can search within just one item, you can search within the whole Appleton Local History Collection, or you can search within all the UW Digital Collection digitized items through the whole site. And I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a minute. What you want to do is you want to do a keyword search, such as the name of your ancestor, or an address, or a certain thing that you want to search for. On the site, you can even download the whole item, like a book or a plat book, or a specific page of an item where your ancestor is featured. The Appleton Public Library collection features several digitized city directories from Appleton, including 1887 to 88, 1889 to 90, 1891 to 92, 1893 to 94, and then 1925. The 1925 city directory is really important because that's when addresses were changed during this time. So this directory gives you both the old address, the pre-1925 address, and then the address they began using in 1925 that is still current to today. Also on the site, you'll find 4 Outagamie County plat maps from 1889, 1917, circa 1927 to 1928, and 1942. Before you dive into the plat books, I also encourage you to look at our plat book index through the APL website, which you can find on the screen there. By using the index, you can find the exact year, plat, section, and page number where your ancestor would have owned land in Outagamie County. The index also will directly link you to that digitized plat book, which is available on the UW Digital Collections website. You can see our brief video tutorial on how to use the plat book index on our YouTube channel, which are linked right up here. The site also features several local history books that have been digitized. The titles include Records of Pioneers of Outagamie County, which is a book from 1895, the Commemorative Biographical Record of Fox River Valley book, which is again from 1895, and includes biographical sketches from prominent citizens from Brown County, Outagamie County, and Winnebago counties. There's also the book Our First 100 Years, 1857 to 1957, which was published in 1957 and talks about Appleton's history from the first 100 years. There's the Land of the Fox book from 1949, which covers Outagamie County history. There's a City of Appleton 1989 Historic Sites Inventory book from 1989. And then there's a 1978 Historic Building Survey of Appleton local history areas. Also on the site, you're going to find 2 different newspapers. The Appleton Review, which was a weekly newspaper published from January 1930 to 1932. We have 50 issues on there, almost all from 1930, as well as a special 75th anniversary and George Washington bicentennial issue from 1932 available to search on there. There's also the Weekend Review, which was a weekly newspaper published from October 1930 to May 1931, and we have every single issue of that except for issue number 11, unfortunately. Now I'm going to do a live demonstration of how to get to the UW Digital Collection site and how to search within, and then also how to download an image that you find. First, we're going to start at the APL website, apl.org. You're going to find the eLibrary area of the site right up here and click on it. This will bring you to an A to Z listing of every single database the library has. So right away, you can scroll all the way to the bottom to get to the Use, or you can click on the links Genealogy or Local, which will also feature that database in it. Scrolling all the way down to the bottom, you can see a spot for University of Wisconsin Digital Collections. If you click on it, it will then bring you into the Appleton Public Library Local History Collection within the UW Digital Collections site. If you wanted to search non-Appleton area things, this is where you click on the UWDC spot and then search within the whole entire site. But since we want to focus just on Appleton and Outagamie County, this is where you want to go. If you scroll down, you can see where you can search or browse the collection, or you can click on any title that looks important to you. Over here, you can also search within the text. By doing this, you're going to be searching in just the Appleton Public Library Local History Collection. So for example, I could type in a name, Anson Ballard, which is one of our popular Outagamie County pioneers, and click the magnifying glass. If you scroll down, now you can see highlighted entries and what page it's featured in within this book. I could then click on it to get brought right to that area and then be able to view it. I'm going to go back to the results and show you how there's more results down here that you can then again click in to see exactly where that person's featured. And now you can also zoom in on this page to see exactly where they are. Unfortunately, it doesn't highlight it on the page here. It just lets you know that there is an entry in here with that person's name. You can see there he is right there. So if I wanted to save it, what I would do is I would click the X and go back out. And now you can see there's a download button right here with that arrow down. It gives you 3 different options: a large size, medium size, or small size. You can choose whichever one suits your needs. We're going to go back out to the search area and start over again. You can also see you can click into one individual item and then search within that item. So now I can search within here, I can search a specific name. And now I can see the result just within this item. And again, you have the same options of zooming in or downloading here as well. You can also use the front and back pages. So this will do page by page. This will bring you right to the end of the document or right to the beginning if you want to click those arrows. So again, you can feel free to browse through, download, and explore any of the pages here, zooming in, zooming out using these or your mouse to zoom in and zoom out. Now I'm going to show you how to search all UW Digital Collections. So again, you can click on this UWDC link to be brought to the main page where you can now search any statewide resources that are in here. What you want to do is you want to look at the options here. So searching items would search like the title, the author, things like that. But if you want to search within each of the titles and see where your ancestor is within the pages, this is the option you want to click on, search within text. So then you can put in the name of your ancestor. I'm just going to put in a surname just to show you what results we get. And go ahead and click submit. And now you can see there are going to be options here that are outside of the Appleton area. There is an option to sort by relevancy. I can do it oldest to newest, newest to oldest, or by title, either ascending or descending. Now, again, you can see the results in here and then be able to click into those results to get to that specific page where that person you're looking for is, or that name you're looking for is. And again, you have the option to click into them and zoom in and zoom out, or save that. If I wanted to save the whole entire document, what I could do is I could click on the title and then click on download. Now you can see I can get a full PDF right here of this entire 1934 directory if I wanted it, or again, I could go into it and click on full view and then skim through each of the pages or select a certain page if I wanted to, or I can again use the search within just to search within this document. And now again, it's going to give me those results and I can click on the page and then be brought into where my ancestors are on this page. Of course, other than the University of Wisconsin digital collections, there's lots of other digital collections that we have for Outagamie County and Appleton. I want to encourage you to check out our other resources like Fox Valley Memory, which has a lot of digitized texts, as well as local history, historic photos. We also have some materials on Appleton Memory Project, which is our library's page within Recollection Wisconsin, which is a statewide resource that again has lots of digitized materials from all around the state. You can also see more digitized Appleton City directories on Heritage Quest, which is free to use from home. And you can look for your Appleton area ancestor in our Appleton Public Library Obituary Index. Plus, we have many more local history, newspaper, and genealogy databases all available through Appleton Public Library. If you just click on eLibrary, you can explore all of our databases. Some are available for free from home without even needing a library card or needing to be a member of the Appleton Public Library. So feel free to explore any of these links or any of our databases in our eLibrary. If you have any questions, you can feel free to email me. My email address is on the screen, or you can give our reference desk a call at 920-832-6173. Good luck searching.